Okay, we're with still in Namibia with Harold.
Yes.
He's an expert in food, especially fruits. So we're gonna be looking at some fruits today. We'll start with this one. Here we found a tree here. What are we looking at here, Harold?
This is a pomegranate.
Uh-huh.
It's a very good fruit,
Huh.
and it's also a very good antioxidant. You can eat it just like you have to peel it, and you can eat it like that, or you can make juice out of it, and you can drink it.
Okay, let's take one, and then we're gonna go at a table, and we're gonna look at it.
Yes.
Okay. So what is it called again?
Pomegranate.
Okay. In your local language?
No, I don't know it in the. I know it in Afrikaans. It's hartinas.
Are you actually Namibian, or are you a refugee, or
I'm a Namibian.
you're a Namibian? Okay. Welcome back. Again, we're with Harold that's specialized in wild fruits and okay. This some of them you guys probably know them. We're gonna be tasting each one of them and find out what we have. Let's start with the little one. What is this? The local language?
I just know it as guava.
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 I believe we also find this in Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't have a cutting table. They didn't give us a cutting table. We'll use which way would be better to cut it? This way. Wow.
Yeah.
Take this piece.
Yeah,
Okay. Let's.
It's pink inside.
Remember, some of the fruit that we will be tasting today may be poisonous.
No, all of them that are sitting here are not.
They're not poisonous.
No,
Okay.
there's nothing that is poisonous.
Okay. So guayaba. Let's see if
Guava,
this
guava.
guava.
Guava, yes.
Okay. There's
This
some
one
seeds.
you can yeah, it has got seeds inside,
Uh-huh.
and it's pink. It has got a sort of a sourish smell,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah. Doesn't take.
you can eat it with the skin as well, or you can take off the skin. So we're just gonna taste it now.
Yeah, we're tasting the first one.
Mm.
It's good.
You
We can hear the hippos in the back.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
You can hear the hippos. This one is also a fruit you can make juice with.
We're on the edge of the Kavango River here.
The one on the other side is Angola.
Yeah, we're looking at Angola on this side and Namibia on the side where we're sitting. So that was very good.
Yeah, you can also make juice with it. Guava juice.
Let's go with the other one. That's the local orange. This time on a previous show we had the let's cut it in half, same as it. We had the local monkey orange, but these are the local, the normal orange.
Orange.
Orange. The skin is tougher than what you would expect, no? Let's see.
Very sweet.
Very sweet, huh?
Yeah. So.
It's very good. It's probably one of the sweetest oranges I've had.
This one is nice and cool also. So. Yeah. You can also make orange juice from it.
Very good. I'm not gonna throw this out. I'm gonna eat it after.
Yeah. Good for you. Vitamin C.
This is kind of a
lime, but I think it's still a lemon. Yeah. Just still green.
Oh, look at this.
This is gonna be sour.
It is. It is. Okay. We got it.
Not very sour, yeah.
Oh fuck.
Good for you. Vitamin C. You can boil a bit of water, squeeze in some more lemon. Good for your flu.
Oh, this I know what it is.
That's a normal apple.
We got that from the cook that's making apple pie tonight.
So we're gonna eat apple pie tonight. And these apples are gonna be part of it.
This is good. Very tasty.
Good.
This I'm going to keep it as well. I'm going to eat that. What do we have here?
That's another lemon. Just a different color, maybe overripe. But it's also gonna be sour. That one is bad.
This one is bad.
That's overripe, I think.
Just eat it. Eat this.
Maybe you can cut this in half and leave those two. Yes. This is also gonna be sour.
It's going to be.
Yeah. This one is sour than the green one.
No, it's actually better.
Is it?
No. Maybe you're right. So that was, we got two types of lemons here. The apple, orange, the guava. And then we got granada, I think.
Pomegranate, yeah.
Pomegranate.
Wait. There's a
way to open it?
There's a professionals know how to open it. They sort of cut it like on this.
Alright.
Yeah.
You
Let's try. I don't know. We're just gonna try.
Watch your knife. You just.
Yeah. So we're just gonna try. We are not professionals here, but we're just gonna try.
Oh, I see what you're gonna do. You're gonna open it like a.
No, and then.
Like if it was a. Ooh! Look at this.
You take off this part.
Wow!
And then it has got lines also in there, so you cut it with those lines, along those lines. Yeah. Cut it along those lines. Cut it along those lines. Cut it along those lines.
Actually, you're gonna peel it off. Peel off.
Yeah, sort of open it up. This is the last line. And then you open it like that. You see?
Wow.
Beautiful. Yeah, that's how it looks. Those are what you can eat, and also those are also seeds. Yeah. So this one is very bitter. So that one you don't eat. The pink ones are the ones you eat.
Okay.
So I'm gonna break a piece for you. And I'm gonna break a piece for myself.
Man, that's very good.
You can swallow the seeds or you can spit it out. Depends on you.
Inside of these little things, the seeds.
Yeah, seeds. But the skin is very bitter, and then this flesh is also bitter. The only sweet things are this pink, the pink part, the ones with the.
Yeah, there are seeds, eh?
So this you can also make juice with. As I said, it's a very good antioxidant. You find them in the shops also. The juice they make from here.
This is one of the good ones.
Yeah.
This.
So that is the pomegranate.
Obviously,
in
the
Africa.
orange is good. The apple, this
good.
little tiny apple is very good.
And this is good.
And this is good.
Yeah. So that is.
Well,
some of the fruits it was this side.
I wish you could see the hippos when you want to see them there. All right. This is what we have for you guys today. Some of the fruit that we collected along the way. And we hope to see you soon. Thanks to the cameraman that we have Beto that's filming. Thank you, Beto. Alberto.
Thank you.
And we'll see you soon.
You can come and taste some of the fruits.
Everybody that's watching the show, you can all come towards the table now.
All the naked people also.